Well, hello out there again, all you folks at YouTube. Wanted to welcome you back to my scrap adventure. If you've seen the first video, you will remember that this was full and now it's not. So I'm down to what you might say is the nitty-gritty, going through this stuff to get it cleaned up and haul it off. Because my focus this fall is to get all this stuff cleaned up. That's a lot of work. So I'm going to take you around to the other side and show you what we're going to concentrate on today. And then also I got to clean out the trailer. And I'm going to, from the other day where I had a lot of dirt in there. And then I'm going to get my larger trailer so I can load today's scrap on it. Anyway, let me take you around to the other side. So anyway, out here behind me is a lot of junk. Obviously it's all junk, but this is stuff that I can't load easily, so I'm going to bring the flatbed down. That was flatbed. Bring it down and see what I can load up on it today. And you might notice back here is a television antenna. And the story behind that was, as a kid, my job was to dig the hole about 4 feet down. Then we poured concrete, and then Dad, as independent as he was, he took each section up by himself, piece by piece, and bolted it on. How he did that, I don't know. Very awkward, no safety belt, not OSHA approved. And then also I wanted to show you back here what I did find. If you can look there, if you can guess, yes, it is a kitchen sink. So, you know, people say, well, it looks like to me you found everything but the kitchen sink. Well, I think out here we found the kitchen sink too. So anyway, let's get with it, see what we can accomplish. there you have it. Yeah, I just don't know why they didn't want to take all this mud at the scrap place and pay for it. As Jed Clampett would say, wee doggies. That's a lot of trash. Time for a break. Wipe the sweat off the brow. Say, man, I'm 70 years old. Ha ha ha. Getting to see a lot of my best side. That wasn't too bad for a younger guy. All right. So thanks again for joining me. Hope you like this. And look at the one that I posted before this of where I'm hauling out of this. What this is back here is a cattle feeder. Back in the 60s, my dad had steers. He had him up here to feed them. Silo over there. Chopped up all the corn, made silage, and then put it out for the steers to eat in the winter. So a little history there. Have a good one. See you on the next one.